welcome to my channel, and today we are going to put on this beautiful burgundy wig. It is a 5x5 closure and it has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. You know the gist. It's beautiful. It is a body wave. Alright, so I'm just checking it out, seeing how it looks, how I'm going to style it. The lace is transparent, so it's too light, but I am going to darken it up. But anyways, let me show you what else I got in the bag. So Tinashe came with some goodies. Yes, all of that. Sell some lashes. Allow me some lashes. Very nice. A wig cap. And a silk bonnet. I was super excited about this, but you have to be careful with the elastic band that it comes with. It doesn't pull your edges. And a headband, which is also super cute. They have this little pamphlet that gives you all the information on your hair, how to take care of it, and all that good stuff. And this is the box that the products came in. All right, anyway, so now I am just going to take my foundation and darken up my lace because you ladies, you want it to match your scalp, so we're just going to darken it. And when I tell you this makes such a huge difference, look at that. That is such a huge difference. And you know what, I didn't plug this hairline, I didn't do none of that, y'all. I mean, if you want to, you can, but I didn't. So I'm going to take some alcohol and just wipe my forehead where I'm going to apply the Got To Be Glue hairspray. Because you want your skin to be oil free. And then we're just going to go to town. Once that's done, I'm going to take a ribbon, a silk ribbon, and tie that around the edges to keep it nice and flat. I took my hot iron, is that a hot iron? No, my hot comb, and just combed the hair in a direction that I want to style it, because I'm going to have a side part. Side part are my favorites, especially with lace front wigs, because I don't have to worry about like the lace too much, it just falls over, and I like that type of style. So to make sure that my lace is flat and it's not too high above my head, I'm going to part the hair and then use my hot comb and just flatten out each section, which really helps in the final look. I would suggest you do the same, get you a hot comb and flatten out that lace. As you can see, I spent a lot of time on my closure to make sure that it's nice and flat and it looks good. All right, so now it's time to put it back in a ponytail because we're now going to work on our baby hair. So just put your hair in a ponytail, get it out the way because we're about to go to work. First things first, we can cut our lace off. So cut your lace off, and like you hear in every hair video, do not cut your lace in a straight line. Make jaggedy, jaggedy, jaggedy lines. So it's looking kind of crazy, but trust the process. I'm going to take my comb and pull out some hair in the front. And the lace isn't laying down completely because I didn't leave my my ribbon on long enough, and I also did not blow dry it. But anyways, it's okay because it's about to stay on for a long time. So just take out some hair. You don't need a lot. I mean, I literally did not plug this hair at all, and it came out good. I actually forgot to plug it. I don't know. I was just doing my hair and I didn't think about plugging it, and I didn't. So we're gonna cut this hair very, very short. Unless you want some long baby hairs, do your thing, but I don't. So I cut it pretty short. To mold the baby hairs, I like to use a mousse in combination with my Got to Be Glue hairspray. Take your time when it comes to molding those edges, okay? Because these things are complicated. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be good. So now the real magic begins, okay? We are going to tie our headscarf, our silk headscarf around our edges. We're going to style our hair, put some curls in it, cut it, put some layers in this wig. Then we're gonna do our makeup and then we will be back to show you the final look. So I'm gonna go see if I can find some music on YouTube to play in this video that they won't demonetize my video. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you check the description box. I am sure Tinashe will give me a discount code for you all to use when purchasing from them. Thank you. Shout out to Tinashe for sponsoring this video, and I will see you all next time. Enjoy!